Hello friends, welcome to Code with Karthiki. Today we are going to see uses of list in Python. Here I have listed out some of the scenarios where you can use list. So as you will start coding, you will find more scenarios where you can use this list data type. First one is ordered collection. Whenever you need an ordered collection, at that time you can use this list. We know that list is an ordered data structure, means the order in which you have added elements, that order is maintained. So here I have given list maintain the order of elements, allowing you to store and retrieve items in the order they were added. We have seen list manipulation functions, so using those you can add or retrieve elements from list. Next one is mutability. We know that lists are mutable. Mutable means changeable, means you can add remove elements from list. So unlike tuples, we haven't seen tuples yet, but tuples are immutable, but lists are mutable. So whenever you have requirement of mutable data structure, at that time you can go for list. Lists are mutable, meaning you can add, modify or remove elements after the list is created. So if you have requirement of such a thing, then you can go for list. So we know that append method is there, so using append method you can add element at the end of the list. Using indexing, slicing, you can access element and you can do operation on those elements. Next one is dynamic size. We know that lists are mutable. So here I have given list can dynamically grow or shrink, means you can add elements, remove elements from list. So this flexibility is useful in various programming scenarios. So when we are writing our logic, so we need such a programming requirement. At that time, lists are very useful. Next is heterogeneous elements. We know that in list we can store heterogeneous data type elements. Heterogeneous means data type of elements can be different. So list can contain elements of different data types, making them suitable for storing diverse data. So if you have need of storing heterogeneous data type element in your data structure, at that time you can go for list. So in this way I have listed out some of the scenarios. Thanks for watching the video, and if you like the content of my channel, please subscribe and press bell icon to get notification. And if you have any doubt, you can comment below.